Tracy here from Tameron Hyundai and Hoover, just a mile north of the gallery. I got your beautiful 2019 Kona SEL right here with the honeycomb grille, projection headlights, LED daytime running lights, beautiful wheels with nitrogen filled tires, turn signal indicator, keyless entry. This is also going to have things like blind spot detection and a touchscreen monitor with Apple, Android, and Google CarPlay. This is an absolutely gorgeous vehicle. Give me a call. Here at Tameron, we've doubled our warranty to 20 years, 200,000 miles. My name is Tracy. The number is 662-352-6077. Yes, that's my cell phone number. Can't wait to hear from you, Diane. You're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron.